I'm so lucky I'm covered. You see something I learned in college? It took me years and years to learn this. Watch this, watch.
I figure you're doing a documentary. You probably teach a sign painting class.
I do teach.
You're taking pictures.
Yeah, I teach on YouTube. I have over 800 videos.
You do a phenomenal job.
I love teaching people from all over the world. There'll be people in Greece or Netherlands or Germany or Australia, and they'll have pictures and they look just like mine.
You wonder why, right?
Yeah, they copy me. I tell them to copy me.
Yeah. You do a terrific job.
Yeah, I feel really.
I wanted to be a cartoonist as a kid.
Yeah.
But I had no imagination.
Oh, that's the drawback.
Yeah. I could draw, but I just.
That's like trying to be a brain surgeon, but you don't have steady hands.
That's a good compliment.
Yeah, cartoonist without an imagination. Yeah, you got to have that.
I had a buddy that went to. I'm 79, so it's been a lot of years ago. Portland Art Museum for fine art. And a lot of abstract stuff. I never did understand it. Cartooning.
Yeah, this does communicate.
Yeah.
That's what it's meant for.
Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day. Shrimp, halibut, clams and oysters. And over here I have the mermaid with the fish and chips or French fries and fish, fried fish. Seafest. We got this character here. And down here I got a crazy oyster and a clam. A little bit of seaweed. And then this little darling fish. And then over here I got it repeated. Clams, oyster, halibut, and shrimp. All right. I am all done here at Mike's Drive-In. I'm gonna pack up and go to their other store. Their other store is a lot smaller. It's probably about 6 times smaller. So I won't shoot any video of that. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you next time. Bye.